Good morning, traders. Welcome to this week's cryptocurrency market analysis webinar. I hope you all had a great week. As a start, guys, this is the last weekly outlook for the year 2022. We will resume again on the 9th of January. So that means the next weekly outlook is going to be on the 9th of January 2022. Right. If you'd like to contact us before we start, guys, you can go on to our YouTube channel. Under the description of all our videos, you'll find our contact details as well as our website. Please make note, our new website is now trading-waves.com. Use the correct link. You can click it straight from the video and go straight to our website. Our course is available on the website, fully recorded. If you'd like to watch that over the holidays, you can check it out. So we are only going to be back on the 9th of January. So trade responsibly over the holidays so you can be profitable. So let's get started with the outlook for today. Let's look at Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin is at critical level. Basically, the cryptocurrencies, everyone has been anticipating a bullish move on the cryptocurrencies, especially now that we are very close to the so-called festive rally, which normally should have already started. Now, it is important to not to be emotional when you trade this. And I know there are a number of people that have got long-term crypto portfolios that are hoping for this move. But we need to be realistic and see what the charts are telling us. As much as we're expecting the festive rally, everybody wants to be bullish, everybody wants to make profit, you need to trade without the emotions. I'm one of the people that have got a portfolio on the cryptocurrency. So when I look at this, I don't want to be biased. I want to look at the technical charts. The charts must tell a story. As much as I've got a portfolio that is bullish, I'm buying for the long term, I don't need to force the market to do what I want it to do. So let's have a look at this. This is Bitcoin. I'm on the daily chart. So we have been anticipating the two possibilities on Bitcoin. Initially, we looked at these to be a three-way structure and for Bitcoin to go to all-time highs, which has not happened. But what we are seeing here is that there's a possibility that Bitcoin is just making this bigger flat corrective structure here. That is the flat corrective structure that we're looking at. So there's this possibility on Bitcoin. But if you look closely at this here, we can see that we've had a pullback, almost an impulse. We've got a move up. We are currently consolidating here. This consolidation, as much as everyone is expecting this to be a bullish move, can just be a three-wave pullback and take us back to around this level. So we need to be realistic with this. We may not get that bullish move on Bitcoin. But like I said last week, we don't trade this in isolation. We have to look at the rest of the cryptocurrencies to see what they're all doing, to see what move is going to happen. So we're looking at this one to be a possible flat correction. We are expecting this one to possibly push to the upside, but that move to the upside is not supported for a bullish move. But contrary to what we're seeing on Bitcoin, Ethereum on the other hand, but before I go to Ethereum, let's have a look at the 4-hour chart here on Bitcoin. So the 4-hour chart on Bitcoin here, as you can see, is consolidating around these levels. We've got this as an impulse. This is an impulse. This is consolidation. We may see this only back to around 56,000 and see that drop again. So that is the anticipation there. But Ethereum, on the other hand, is showing much more strength than Bitcoin, as I've indicated last week. And we don't trade this in isolation. So one will need to give us the lead here. So this is Ethereum. This is a three-wave structure. Look at how good looking that structure is. We've got a three-wave pullback. This is an impulse, but this now is not as strong as it was last week. So we can get Ethereum doing this. We could get this one coming down here, pull back here, giving us a double correction as follows. So that is a WXY corrective structure. So this is still pretty much in the making, pretty much in the building on this structure here. So we'll be looking at this structure, WXY structure. That is the structure that we're looking at. When this structure is done, then we'll anticipate the new highs on Ethereum. But let's have a look at this on the daily. Is that move supported on the daily as well? Let's have a look. Now the daily is showing pretty much strength here on Ethereum, and a move above this level will mean that we have completed that structure and we'll see new highs on Ethereum. But again, just like Bitcoin, we may also just get a move back around this level. We would have had this three waves down. We can have this one down here before we push to the upside. Same structure that I've shown you on the 4-hour, just now concentrated on the daily. Right, so that's what we're looking at on Ethereum. Litecoin, as you can see, they all have this structure. They all have this consolidation, which everyone is expecting to break out for new highs. But the new highs are not likely at this structure here. Let's have a look at this, what we anticipate on Litecoin as well. So the bigger structure on Litecoin, and the reason why I'm saying the bullish move is not really supported here, is that we've got a pullback here, we've got a move down here. This is a pullback here on Litecoin. We anticipate that it can just be that pullback and continue to the downside, giving us this bigger zigzag corrective structure around 65 before any move to the upside. So we may not even see the so-called Christmas rally on the cryptocurrencies. Unfortunately, we have to be realistic and see what the charts are telling us. Now, Ripple, on the other hand, is interesting on the daily. We've got a move down in 3. Let's use a different color here. We've got an impulsive move in the purple degree there. 1, 2, 3 pullback. Now, though that move that you're seeing on the rest of the cryptocurrencies is also there on Ripple. We've seen this as a pulsing move to the upside, consolidating here for a move to the upside. We could have this one coming up to this level if the volumes agree, but what we're seeing here is that we may just get this 3-wave pullback and continue to the downside. If we do, then we invalidate the structure, but the structure, the ideal structure that we want to see on Ripple is this to come around this level. So let's have a look at this on the 4-hour and see. So on the 4-hour Ripple, that is the structure. We want to see this break to the upside, but this is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Does not look bullish. We may get one more down here before another leg to the upside. So maybe back around $1.05 on Ripple. Right, let's have a look at the rest here. Dogecoin. Dogecoin on the 4-hour showing us continuation to the downside. That is a move up in 3. So we could be coming down here in this structure here. So we've got this one coming down here, consolidate for a move to the downside. Let's have a look here again on the daily, see why we're anticipating that structure. Okay, so Dogecoin has made, so Dogecoin has made 1, 2, 3 down, 1, 2, 3 back, 1, 2, 3 down. Okay, we're anticipating this to have completed the structure, but it looks like we can still get one more down to around this level before a reversal on Dogecoin. So then we'll have this as a structure on Dogecoin for more upside. Let's just draw it clearly. That is the move. These are the 3 waves. This is another 3-wave back. This is another 3 waves down. This is a WXY corrective structure. It just means the Y is not complete as yet. So we may get to see one more down here before we get to see the reversal on Dogecoin. ADA is showing us this structure here. This is a move down. This is a pull back in 3. So we're expecting ADA to come down impulsively. That will be an ABC corrective structure on ADA, still bearish to around this level before anticipation of any move to the upside. Solana. So if we look at Solana, it's also showing us the structure like this. It will be an expanding or a running flat, but because the rest of the cryptocurrencies are showing short-term bearish moves, we'll anticipate Solana to come down around this level as well before a resumption of the move to the upside. And lastly, let's have a look at Shiba Inu. Now, Shiba Inu, we've been anticipating this to have completed its 3-wave pullback on the daily. That's 3-wave move down, 3-wave up with the running flat, move down. Now, just like the rest of the structures, we've got this sharp move to the upside, but this consolidation here. Will this take us to new highs? We'll be monitoring this over the next couple of sessions. And that's all I have for you this week, guys. Trade responsibly. I'm wishing you all happy holidays. Stay safe until we meet again next year. You've been a great bunch. Thank you for watching and for all your support. Cheers, everybody. Bye-bye.